let's explore the seasons all around. Springtime flowers bloom so bright, yellow, pink and pure delight. Birds are singing in the trees, buzzing bees and gentle breeze. Autumn leaves are falling down, red and orange carpet the ground. Crunchy, crunchy under feet, swirling colors oh so neat. Seasons, seasons all around. Look outside and what you found. Oh, oh. Seasons, seasons come and play. Learning is fun every day. Seasons, seasons all around. Learning nature's on display. Winter snowflakes twirl and spin, white and sparkly on your chin. Build a snowman, slide and glide, cozy hats and scarves to hide. Summer sunshine, morning bright, picnic days and kites and flight. Splash in water, run and play, nature's wonders every day. Can you count the flowers? 1, 2, 3, and spot the leaves upon the tree. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning nature is so sweet. Seasons, seasons all around. Look outside and what you found. Seasons, seasons come and play. Learning is fun every day. Seasons, seasons clap and sing. Nature's joy in everything. Bye bye friends, keep it squatter too. Nature and seasons